Hey, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Duane. I'm the Senior Vice President of Technology here at RapidScale. This month's monthly Tech Talk is going to be based on SD-WAN. You might wonder, well, why is RapidScale talking about SD-WAN? Well, we've recently formalized our partnership with Citrix to provide the NetScaler-based SD-WAN solutions to our customers. There's a lot of different benefits and features to SD-WAN, especially when it considers the RapidScale cloud platform. As you guys know, we offer a lot of services around mail, Skype, desktop as a service, DR, servers, and a lot of our customers are looking at SD-WAN solutions for a variety of reasons. We chose NetScaler for a few reasons. One, it actually helps us improve the performance of the desktop protocol, the HDX protocol that's Citrix native. So we can actually improve services that we already natively support. Two, there's a few other key benefits there from their appliances that are very important to us. The main one is we can support dynamic routing. So a lot of our customers have MPLS networks, they have broadband networks. We need to be able to mesh those together back to our data center, and so we don't want to have a separate device doing the routing if we can all do that without complicating the network. Another reason is really around, it's a packet-based path selection solution. And what that means is I can send voice packets over both connections to ensure redundancy, and that's where they call it packet duplication. That way, if one connection goes down, I don't lose my voice calls. Most of the other solutions out on the market are actually based on sessions. So they create a session, it goes out one link, a new session goes out a different link, but if that link goes down and it happens to be a phone call in that session, it would actually drop that call. So while we're not a voice provider inherently, we obviously know most of our customers at this point have moved to hosted voice-based solutions, and we really want to protect that as best as possible. The other big feature there is the failover is lossless, meaning I can fail over from one connection to another with no interruption to the business. So you wouldn't even see a blip on the radar, so to speak. So we've drawn a quick example here of a customer with just 2 locations, but you can obviously extrapolate that out to 50, 100, 200 locations. There's no limit on the number of branch offices, just my whiteboard space. So you have a couple branch offices, you have a NetScaler SD-WAN appliance connected to an MPLS router and a firewall, one going to MPLS network, one going to the internet. Same thing for branch B. And down here, the RapidScale cloud platform, we have a cluster of NetScaler appliances, as most network providers would call that the head end, right? Common question that comes up, do we sell this as a standalone service? In theory, it could be sold as a standalone service, but RapidScale would add no value to the customer if that's the only thing they bought from us, other than providing the appliances. So we really would prefer to sell this with the rest of our cloud solutions, because that's really where the value comes in. We can monitor and manage the network, we can improve application delivery, and we can obviously create that resiliency, which is some of the key benefits of SD-WAN, which is really the business continuity of the overall network, right? So it should be zero downtime in that case. We're going to be able to lower the WAN costs, because a lot of customers, if they're not already dismantling MPLS networks, are thinking about it and trying to find ways to improve performance and speed and increase resiliency. So some of the native benefits of MPLS, but without spending all that money. And then, of course, we actually can do zero deployments, meaning I can actually ship the appliances directly from the manufacturer. They'll phone home, grab their configuration from RapidScale, and I actually don't need to send people on site to every location, as long as there's somebody capable of plugging them in and getting power and network port to them. We can actually do all the configuration remotely. So that was this month's Tech Talk around SD-WAN and our partnership with Citrix, and we're very excited to be rolling this out to customers all over the US. Look forward to talking to you again next month.